Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix you can not send message this person because due to user privacy setting. For example, if you try to message someone on TikTok, for example, if you search a person on TikTok and after that you try to message the person and here you see an error, like you cannot send message to this person due to users privacy settings. So here are the error. If you see this kind of error, like you cannot send the person a message because this user has a privacy setting. So there are many reasons behind this notification. So one of the reason is that the person you are trying to message on TikTok has a private account, which means the person has restricted anyone to message him personally. So this is about the person which has privacy settings in their TikTok account, which means you can simply set privacy settings on your account so that no one will be able to message you. So how you can do that? For this you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to simply go to privacy, and after that you can simply set your account to private account. The first method is as that, which means you can simply go to private account and no one will be able to send you a message except your friends. Moreover, you can also go to direct messages option, and here what you have to do, you have to simply select direct message, and after that you can select here no one can send you a direct message, and after that no one will be able to send you a message, and everyone will get that error that this person has a privacy that you cannot send the message. So in this way you can simply request a person other than TikTok so that they can allow you to send message on their TikTok. So otherwise they have a privacy restriction on their TikTok inbox, or so you cannot message them on TikTok. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.